Greetings everyone. When you see a door like this, you know what's in store. It's time for another room tour, baby. Yes! We're at the Paradise Pier Hotel. I'm gonna show you the place before, we stay in it, and I'm not gonna say I'm gonna ruin it, but it's just prettiest, right when you get into it. All right, so let's get to it. As you step in, and then you go to the left immediately, here's the bathroom. Oh, lovely, look at this. We've got one light there, another there, and a gigantic mirror here. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Yes, I'm wearing my Grand Californian shirt too, so I'm repping the Disney hotels. That's nice and clean. The beach theme prevails throughout. Lots of nice towels. Got a nice tub over here. Yeah, pretty good. Not too shabby. Nice clean bathroom. I dig it. And the one sink right there. Then you come over here and it's another giant mirror. I swear I don't come with every room. That's okay. But you got your extra pillow and blanket, and we've kind of moved in a little bit, so it's not like it comes with a sweatshirt and a piece of luggage there, but it does come with a luggage rack. And this, I think of Nate Morrow. You could lay down in here easily. Yes, you could. But then you come over here to the grand room of it all. Hey, Mom, how are you doing? Hello, here she is again. Oh, that's okay, don't worry about it. 2 queen beds, don't worry. Bed test is coming, don't worry, we'll get to it. But also, I love this. At the Walt Disney's Goofy How to Swim. Oh, I love those how-to videos with Goof. What a guy. I do like the theming here. It reminds me a little bit of the Beach Club, or Back Home in Walt Disney World. I call it Back Home, but I used to go there a lot. Anyway, so come over here. The television, yes, and also comes with a safe. Whoa, here we go. Let's try that again. It also comes with a safe and a refrigerator. That's nice. I'm gonna shut that because I feel like if I leave it open, I'm gonna slam into it later. One thing I always neglect, I feel like, to talk about a lot in these videos, is that it comes with the USB plugs, baby. Oh gosh, I love those. Those are becoming more standardized throughout all of the kind of Disney hotels, it seems like, which is great. But these big queen beds, oh, so excited. Also comes with this pull-out for the day bed. Yeah, so you could sleep technically 6, I guess, in here, which would kind of be a lot. Yeah, it'd be a lot of people, but you could totally do it. Also, we need to check the view, which right now, if memory serves, hello, might be kind of hard to see with the reflection here, but you can see through my body that this is like the pool right now. There's a ton of construction going on, so not a crazy view, but I would imagine, not construction-wise with the pool and everything, it'd look real nice. And also right over there, that's the Disneyland Hotel. I'm pretty sure this is the Frontierland Tower and this is the Adventureland Tower. I don't know for sure though, but I think so. Either way, it's the Disneyland Resort. Now everyone, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time for the patented bed test. I have a little hesitation. Last time I did this, we were at the Grand Californian. And I was on the pull-out, and yeah, it was gonna be different than this one, I think. Here we go. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. It's better than my bed back home. Okay. One of the things I always think about when I do this is that I have the camera right above my face, and there's part of me that just wants to fall asleep immediately, and then the camera would fall, just like smash my face. It's very comfortable. It's very nice. It's just that kind of nice, like in between, where it's not too soft, not too hard. Feels like a very Goldilocks situation. You know what I'm talking about? Also, when I make these videos, I always feel like they're too short, so we're gonna try something a little different this time. We'll see how it goes, if people like it. It'll be a little experimental, but this is kind of the end of the room tour stuff. Now we're just gonna chat a little bit, see how it goes. I'm looking forward to it. Just a little end of room tour pillow talk situation here. Just talk about Disneyland briefly. So, for people who didn't see this earlier, and you saw my mom around, she's in town for a couple of days, which I'm very thankful for. We did not film today, but we're planning on filming a bunch tomorrow. which I'm looking forward to. But today, just to fill you guys in, we didn't do any crazy rides, but we did go on, oh, now I have to think about this, Pirates of the Caribbean, Haunted Mansion, we did Soarin', that's most of the rides. We did not do, we were just kind of hanging out. I did Matterhorn twice by myself. Mom didn't want to do Matterhorn, which I don't blame her. Yeah, I love it. Tomorrowland side both times. I did single rider. It was great. Really enjoyed that. It was, I really liked that. It's really intense in the beginning, the Tomorrowland side. It's a lot. It's a lot. And then we went and sat down and saw the Mickey's Mix Magic. It was alright. You know, it's fine. What else do we do? Oh, Mr. Toad. Oh my gosh, we did Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. I have no idea if this is interesting to anyone, but yeah, I do want to say this though. Earlier today, before Mom came, I rode Space Mountain, and you guys know how I've talked about Space Mountain here. I think it's fine. I prefer the one back in Florida, but, I think sitting in the front row, weirdly, of Space, even though the back row I'm sure is crazier, but the front row, man, it feels so fast, like the wind is really hitting you. I didn't mind. I thought it was pretty good. Maybe it's growing on me. I don't know. I'm not sure. I did ride it once for the music cut though, and it was very scary. Like, it felt weird. It felt odd. Oh, and side note, I was on Haunted Mansion earlier today, and we had a little bit of a stop in the ballroom sequence. That was great. I like kind of looking out at everything. I will say this though, now that I've had Nightmare Before Christmas and gone back to original Recipe Mansion, I am firmly in the Nightmare camp. I'm sorry, Haunted Mansion purists out there. I don't know. I get a little bored with the original Haunted Mansion now. I'm sorry. It's just the truth. It's just the truth. If you like original Mansion more, that's fine. That's totally fine. I don't like you any less, you know what I mean? You guys are probably like, well, we like you less, Jimmy. Yeah, probably. I understand that. That's fine. That's totally fine. Yeah, yeah. Oh, we did Midway Mania today too. I'm so sorry. Which, by the way, Midway Mania, I have not given enough credit to, because while the shooting gallery sequences are fun, the actual ride experience itself can be a little crazy, and it's really enjoyable. Midway Mania, I don't want to say underrated gem. I think it's maybe properly rated. It's good. It was worth the wait. We waited in some lines today, because honestly, when you have family out, yeah, the lines, you know, you're not excited about waiting in a long line, but you're just excited to be with them and just spend time with them. That's the absolute most important thing. If you could take anything away from my talk here today, from my little pillow talk, not a TED talk, a pillow talk, it's that spending time with people you care about most is the best thing you can do in life in general, but especially Disney parks. Yeah, I love it. It's good. I am genuinely curious if anybody enjoys this sort of thing. If this is horrible and dumb and people don't like it, I won't do it again. But if anybody likes it, let me know in the comments. I appreciate that. Thank you guys for checking out this Paradise Pier hotel room tour video. It's kind of brief. These room tours kind of are for me, especially right now because they're under construction. They're not doing any eateries or anything like that. I did realize that it's been so long that I've stayed here that the arcade is like gone. They used to have an arcade downstairs. That's gone now. But yeah, just a brief little video for you. Either way, thank you guys. I appreciate you. Big, super colossal video with Mom coming up here. And thanks for everybody who's just been liking and commenting on the videos. Appreciate it. I really do. And a huge thanks to the patrons. You guys are amazing. Thank you. But you don't need to do any of that. Just appreciate you being here. And until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. And I'm going to try not to fall asleep right now before I turn off the camera. Alright, guys.